Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best riding helmets on the market right now. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned equestrian, picking the right helmet is critical for safety and comfort. We've done the research, tested the products, and now we're bringing you the ultimate countdown. You can find all the product links in the description below. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the Troxel Sport 2.0 horse riding helmet, a budget-friendly option priced at just $39.95. If you're looking for a reliable helmet without breaking the bank, this one's for you. It features a sturdy, injection-molded shell with an integrated visor, giving it solid durability and a sleek design. The matte finish is available in a variety of solid colors, so you can match your riding gear easily. Performance-wise, this helmet is equipped with 7 large vents for maximum airflow, keeping you cool during long rides. The removable and washable headliner is a nice touch, ensuring you can maintain a fresh and breathable experience over time. It's built to adapt to various head shapes, but the lightweight construction makes it particularly comfortable, even for extended use. However, one downside is that it lacks some of the advanced adjustment features found in higher-end helmets. Overall, the Troxel Sport 2.0 is ideal for beginner riders or casual equestrians looking for a dependable and affordable helmet. While it doesn't offer premium features, it delivers safety and comfort at an unbeatable price. Pros: budget-friendly, lightweight, great ventilation. Cons: fewer advanced adjustment options and lower durability compared to premium models. Coming in at number 4 is the Ovation Deluxe Schooler helmet, a mid-range option with a solid reputation among riders. Priced at $65, this helmet strikes a balance between affordability and performance. One standout feature is the easy care rubberized finish, which resists scratches and stays looking great over time. The low-profile design ensures a sleek look, while the lightweight construction keeps it comfortable. The Deluxe Schooler helmet offers a snug fit thanks to its easy-adjust dial and extra-strong adjustment teeth, which add durability to the helmet's lifespan. Ventilation is a highlight here. High-flow vents keep you cool, and the removable, washable liner adds convenience for maintenance. It also comes with a removable breakaway visor for added versatility. The exclusive YKK adjuster clip and buckle are positioned to stay off your face, enhancing comfort. Ideal for riders of all ages, this helmet works well for daily lessons, casual rides, or even light competitions. The biggest drawback is that it doesn't offer the advanced ventilation or style options of higher-end models. Pros: durable, comfortable fit, great ventilation. Cons: fewer advanced features and slightly heavier than some competitors. At number 3, we have the Troxel Liberty ultralight riding helmet, priced at $59.99. This helmet earns its spot with a lightweight build and thoughtful design that caters to a wide range of riders. Featuring Troxel's dial fit system, it offers precise adjustments for a perfect fit, making it suitable for various head shapes. The 6 mesh-covered vents ensure excellent airflow, keeping you cool and comfortable during long rides. The Liberty helmet comes in both matte and glossy finishes, with stylish designs that allow you to express your personality. The flip-fold, removable washable headliner uses air channel technology, adding a breathable touch while making maintenance easy. Performance-wise, this helmet is versatile. It's great for lessons, leisure riding, and even competitions. However, the ventilation system is slightly less effective in extremely hot conditions compared to higher-end Troxel models. The Troxel Liberty strikes a great balance between price and features, making it ideal for riders seeking a lightweight, stylish helmet without overspending. Pros: lightweight, stylish design, versatile use. Cons: ventilation could be better in hot weather. Our runner-up is the Ovation Deluxe Schooler helmet, priced at $75.95. This helmet stands out for its superior durability and comfort, making it a favorite among riders over 12 years old. It's constructed from lightweight ABS material, which offers impressive strength while keeping the helmet easy to wear. The YKK adjuster clip and buckle ensure a secure fit, and they're thoughtfully positioned to stay off the rider's face. Safety is a priority here. The helmet meets ASTM F1163-15 and SEI-certified safety standards. This makes it an excellent choice for riders who want maximum protection during lessons, leisure rides, or competitions. The low-profile vents help regulate temperature effectively, keeping your head cool even on warmer days. The sporty design is perfect for riders who prefer a modern look. While the Ovation Deluxe Schooler offers exceptional safety and durability, its slightly higher price point may not appeal to budget-conscious riders. Pros: high safety standards, durable material, comfortable fit. Cons: higher price compared to similar models. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Troxel Spirit full coverage horse riding helmet, priced at $92.40. This premium helmet is the epitome of comfort, safety, and style. Designed for riders of all ages, the Spirit helmet features full coverage protection and a low-profile design that adapts seamlessly to various head shapes. The dial fit system ensures precise adjustments, while the soft touch dial adds a touch of luxury. Ventilation is where the Spirit really shines. Strategically placed airflow vents and the removable washable headliner with air channel technology keep you cool and fresh, even during extended rides. Available in both matte and glossy finishes, the Spirit helmet offers a wide range of fashionable graphic designs, making it perfect for riders who want to stand out, whether you're in lessons, competitions, or leisure riding. This helmet performs exceptionally well across all scenarios. While it's the most expensive option on this list, the Troxel Spirit delivers unmatched comfort, protection, and style. Pros: superior comfort, excellent ventilation, stylish design. Cons: premium price point. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this countdown helped you find the perfect riding helmet for your needs. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below with any questions or feedback. I'll see you in the next video. Happy riding!